In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up a database with PHPMyAdmin. Now, your host probably provides PHPMyAdmin for you. I'm in SiteGround, and it's here under Site, MySQL, PHPMyAdmin, Access PHPMyAdmin. If you're using cPanel, you can probably just search for PHPMyAdmin, and it'll come right up, and you can click into there. If it's not available to you, you could install it yourself, but I recommend talking to your host about it. So let's get going. Now, I happen to have multiple databases here under PHPMyAdmin. You probably only have one, and it's never going to be information schema or performance schema. So whichever one you have there is one you want. Fortunately, SiteGround provides me with domain names, and so I want this database. And here are all the tables. Now, I want to export them all. That's how you do a backup. You export. So I've just clicked on that database and see all my tables, and now I'm going to click the export button at the top. Now, you're going to need to do custom, but you're only going to need to change one thing. So this is going to look a little spooky, but don't worry about it. So you have all these options. What you want is this one right here, add drop table. The reason is when you import, you can't import a table that already exists. And so if you didn't check this box, you would have to manually delete every table before restoring, and you don't want to do that. This automatically does that. So once you've checked that one box, you go all the way to the bottom right, and click Go. And it'll take a couple seconds and then ask you to save a file. And that's it. That's all there is to backing it up. Now, if you want to import, you go to the Import tab and you choose your file and hit Go. And it might take a sec to upload the file. You'll note here on the right there's a maximum of 128 megabytes. That is set by the host. And so if you're running your own host or you have access to cPanel or something, you might be able to increase that. But my import is now successfully finished. 402 queries executed. And that's it. That's all there is to exporting, backing up, and restoring, importing.